guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and in this video, as you guys can see from the title, I will be doing the infamous YouTube trend that's going on right now, which is I follow blank, makeup tutorial. And I want to do Patricia Bright. I love her so much. And the funny thing is that my name is Patrice and her name is Patricia. And also my grandmother's name is Patricia also. So, we kind of have something in common, right? So, yeah, today's video is I try to follow Patricia Bright makeup tutorial. She have one where she did maybe over a year now, 2016, that she did Get Ready With Me. And I will put it on the screen to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So, yeah. I'll be following Patricia Bright. I love her. She's awesome and she's so pretty. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing. Before we get started into this tutorial, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below right here, right now, and also turn on your notification because I do upload every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So go ahead and click that subscribe button right now before we get into this tutorial, all right? So, enough with the chit chat, let's get started.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick get ready with me. It's basically this look that I've got here, and what I've done is I've used products that I haven't used before. The foundation I have used before, but basically everything else is a little bit new, and I felt like I wanted to start doing like a new in get ready with me because I receive so many products, but half of them I just don't use, or they just get left for a really long time until I need something new. I feel like it is kind of nice to just show you guys what I do have and what I actually think of them and when they're on my face. Bye. So first thing I'm using is the NARS foundation. This isn't new, and I've been using this for a very long time.
I don't have. This is the new NARS, and I did do a video of me, giving my thoughts about this NARS and the wear test and everything, and I did not like it. But because she's using a NARS, and I have a NARS right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. And she's using a brush. I normally use my beauty blender, but I'm gonna go ahead and follow her today, and she's using a brush. Okay, so there's few brushes that I ordered from Morphe, and this is how it looks. I hardly use them, but I think that this brush here kind of look just like hers at the top. It's very soft though. I don't think I would want to use this for foundation, but I think this is closely matched to hers. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake up my NARS. But why don't she Okay, so the funny thing is that she did not moisturize or prime. I have dry skin. I have crazy dry skin. I don't know if she did prime before she started the video, but I mean, I don't know. She didn't show any priming or any moisturizing, and I have dry skin, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out. But you know what, just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna follow everything that she does. So yes, I'm gonna start off with the NARS pump like this is on my handbag, and she go in.
Amazing to just dip a brush into foundation. It goes from beautiful white to like brown, sad times. And I love this foundation, especially in the winter, because I find that it's a little warmer and it adds a lot more color to my skin. Kind of just makes it look a little bit more dewy and golden. So my brow pencil isn't new. It's
okay, hold on, I'm not done blending.
pencil. I can't remember what it's called because all the details have rubbed off. But if I can find it, I'll link it. And I absolutely love this pencil. And loads of people have noticed my brows and how different they look. Thank you guys for making an effort.
Okay, so she used a pencil, and I don't know what pencil she used. I'm gonna use this pencil that I got from the beauty supply store, and I'm just going to go ahead and quickly fill it in.
New concealer. This is from Urban Decay, and it is the Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer in the color Dark Golden. Now, I'm someone who's really funny about trying new concealers.
Okay, so I don't have that concealer, but I have the NARS concealer, and I have the MAC, and I also have the LA Girl Pro. You guys know that, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and do the NARS concealer because I think that's the same concealer she used to do under her eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the NARS concealer, and I am in the shade Amendment. I don't know how to pronounce this, but I'm gonna go ahead and
Especially because I'm trying it for the first time on.
Put a little bit on the back of my hand, just like her.
You don't have a lot of time to blend down. That's the first thing I've noticed. But for the colour, I like the colour. It works for my skin tone. Actually, I think this will make a very nice summer concealer. So this isn't as yellow as my normal concealers. It's a bit more red, but I'm kind of in the middle, so I can kind of go with it. And what I'll say is that this concealer is a much more natural concealer than I'd normally wear. Like, it really isn't giving me that hardcore pop, but it's probably great for my.
Okay, let me blend. I don't normally use brushes when I'm blending, but this is the closest brush to what I see she's using. I think mine is a little bit bigger, and I normally use a sponge when I'm blending anything at all. I hardly use brushes, so as I said, I'm just going to follow what she do just to see if it will turn out the same way, because we do have the same complexion. So let's see how this makeup turned out.
Which isn't a new powder, but it's the one that I use all the time and really do like.
Okay, so now she used the sponge, and yeah, I'm going to do that too.
Now, for my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and use this one. It's from Illamasqua. The annoying thing about Illamasqua is that
I don't have that, so I'm using the Patrick Star with MAC collab.
But this is this cod here. It's really nice neutrals, bits of greys, bits of browns, which you guys know I love. Now, I haven't put a primer on.
And the thing is that some of the colors that she mentioned is in here, like the shade. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and use Patrick Star one, and this one is called Patrick Star Glam AF. So this is what I'm gonna be using.
I love. Now, I haven't put a primer on because I've just been lazy.
Okay, so it seems like she put this color right here that is close to, you know, our skin tone, but a little bit lighter. So she said she did not put any concealer because she was being lazy. So I'm gonna do the same thing that she does. She have a little, like a blending brush. Let me see. Okay, I have it right here. This one is from Morphe. It doesn't have a name, it just say Morphe. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, so I changed that one here to this one on top. I don't know if you guys can see, my light is so bright because when I put this color here, it was so dark. I don't know, maybe because I didn't conceal or anything. So I changed it for the top one right here.
So the mascara I'm going to use is the False Lash Effect Mascara from Wyatt.
Okay, let me quickly brush this off because you guys know I have dry skin, and oh gosh, I don't know. My skin gonna be so dry after this.
Now, if you guys have watched me long enough, you know that this has been one of my favorite mascara.
Okay, so I don't have that mascara. I have the e.l.f. mascara, and this e.l.f. mascara is very good, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. Well, I have this one from Anastasia or Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the blush trio. So I don't have what she has, so I'm going to use what I have.
I think these are just really nice highlights and everything as well. I'm going to not go too heavy.
So I'm going to take these two right here.
As well. And I'm going to go ahead and use this one in the middle, which is kind of pinky, but with just a touch of highlight.
Okay, so I have these two here, the purple one and the pink one, and this is from Lena Cosmetic, and I'll put the name on top. But this one is, yeah, Danielle, and this one is Lime or Lime, L-I-A-M. But these are what, similar to what she has, so I'm just going to go ahead and follow and do the outline with the purple. Okay, so obviously her lips was a little bit shiny. Mine is matte, so I'm going to go ahead and take my Fenty gloss here and just put it on. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope I did pretty well with, you know, matching her really good. But one thing I have to do, I have to spray my face. Man, I had to spray my face. I had to spray my face. My face was so dry. I just had to. I couldn't. Okay guys, so yeah, this is the finished look. I went ahead and just combed my hair out and all of that stuff. I don't have the same curly hair that she have, but you know, it's all about the makeup, and I hope I did good. I don't know about the lashes. My lashes is just going crazy right now. It's acting up. It's in a bad mood, and yeah, I don't think I put my lashes on well, but whatever. Okay guys, so this is it of the I follow Patricia Bright makeup tutorial, and yeah, I'm gonna tag her on Instagram. So Patricia, if you're listening, I'm gonna tag you because I think I did pretty good, you know, or close to how your makeup look, because we're both looking flawless right now. Like, yep, black girls rock. But pretty much that's it, and I will definitely see you again in my next video. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe before you go. Click that subscribe button down below and turn on your notification, because I upload every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.